Hello, and welcome to the third lesson of Becoming an Operating System Power User Model. In this lesson, we will cover how to make new directories, modify, and delete them. Without wasting time, let's get to our PowerShell. Now, let's change directory onto desktop and make sure we are working on our desktop. CD desktop. To create a new folder, we use the mkdir command, mkdir, and then you give the parameter as the folder name. So let's try making a folder called my folder on my desktop. So my underscore folder. Great. Let's check on our desktop whether the folder is really created. Wow, it's there. Let's get back to work. Now when we try creating a folder with spaces within its name, PowerShell will give an error. Yes, you get an error because the folder contains white spaces in its name. To mitigate this, we can decide to wrap the name of the folder within single quotes or use the backtick to escape a white space character. Let's try this out. Make that my backtick and then folder. So now we've created a folder with a white space within its name by using the backtick to jump white space characters. Great. Let's clear the screen first and then check up on how to rename directories. So consider the folder here called my folder. We are going to rename and call it my new folder name. So we will write the command ren and then we give the old folder name, the folder that we want to rename. Give it as a parameter first and then space out and then write your new name that you want to assign to that particular folder. My underscore new folder name. Great. It has been renamed. What if we want to remove or delete our folders that we've created? If we want to delete a directory, we use the del command and then we specify the name of the directory. Or we can also use the remove directory command, which is rmdir. Then we give the name of the folder that we want to delete and then PowerShell will delete it for us. Let's try it out. Great. So in this lesson, we've covered how to make, modify, and delete directory.